Welcome to our math channel, Math which is fun with math. In this video, let's see how to find the square of any 3-digit number using the Vedic math trick. This is the best shortcut trick to find the square of 3-digit numbers. Let's start. Let's check with one example. This is case 1. Here, you will find 0 in the middle of the 3-digit number. 506, 0 in the center. So the first step, consider 5. 5 square it is 25. Just write it below it. Go to 6. 6 square is 36. So the final step, what we'll do, we'll multiply 5 into 6 and the power whatever has been given, it is 2. So 5 into 6 into 2 we have to multiply. So 5 6 are 30, 32 are it is 60. And this 25 and 36 we will write it as it is. So this is our final answer. So 506 square is 256036. That's it. Very, very simple. In 2 steps, we'll get the square of the 3-digit number. Let's check with one more example. 704 square. Here also you can observe there is 0 in the middle of the 3-digit number. So first step, 7 sevens are 49. Go to 4. 4 fours are it is 16. One important thing when we are performing this trick, always when we are finding the square of this number, it should be in 2 digits. If you are getting 4 as answer, write it as 04. 9 as answer, 09 as answer we have to write. Now, the next step, final step, 7 into 4 into on the power we have to multiply. That is 7 into 4 into 2. It is 56. So this numbers as it is you write it. That's it. This is our final answer. So 704 square is 495616. Now, case 2 this is. We are considering the example 546 square. You can see here there is no 0 in the middle. So how to go on with this one? So let's start. 5 5s are 25. The last is 6. 6 6 are 36. So the middle number now as it is 4, we will take it as 4 4s are 16. Now the next step is very, very important. What we have to do? The first digit of the number, that is 5. The next one 4 and the power 2. Multiply all these numbers, means 5 into 4 into 2. 5 4s are 20, 22s are 40. This 40, we will write it just below this number. Second row, leave the first digit and write 4040. Now, next step, now we will consider the next digit like 4 into 6 into 2. So 4 6 are 24, 24 2s are 48. This 48, we will write it in the same row just besides 40. 48. The final step, now which numbers we have to multiply? Now multiply 5 into 6 and the power 2. So 5 6 are 30, 32s are 60. This 60 we have to write it in the third row, leaving 2 digits. First 2 digits you leave and write 6060. Now add these numbers. 6, 3 plus 8 it is 11, 1 carry over. So 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 carry over again. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1 it is 8. 5 plus 4 is 9 and 2. That's it. 546 square is 298116. Same case to one more example. Now 823 square. First step 8 square 64. 3 square it is 9. See, 9 is a single digit number, but as we discussed, we should take it as 09. If you are writing only 9, your calculation definitely it will go wrong. So write it to be as 09. 2 2s are 4. Again 4 is a single digit number. Take it as 04. Now the next step, first 2 digits you multiply. 8 into 2 into power. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. So 32 we will write it in the second row, leaving the first digit. Now next step. Now 2 into 3 into power 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. Just besides 32 you write 12. Now the final step. Now we multiply 8 into 3 into power 2. 3 8s are 24. 24 2s are 48. This 48 we will write it in the third row, leaving the first 2 digits. Now add these digits. You observe here all completely this first 2 digits, next 2 digits, the first and the last digit we are multiplying with the power 2. Now add it. 9. 0 plus 2 is 2. Here 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. 1 carry over. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7 and 6 as it is. So 823 square is 677329. Now this one 975 square, it's little different one. The procedure is the same. First 9 square, 9 9s are 81, 5 5s are 25, 7 7s are 49. Next step, first two digits 9 into 7 into power. 9 7s are 63, 63 2s are 126. You observe now we got 3-digit number. But as per the rule, always we should have a 2-digit number over here. So leave the first digit, write 26. This one 100, take it as a carryover just before number. So above 8, we will write it as 1. 1, 2, 6, 126. Now next step, 7 into 5 into 2. It is 70. 7 5s are 35, 35 2s are 70. So just besides 26, we are writing 70. Next step, multiply 9 into 5. 9 5s are 45, 45 2s are 90. Leaving the first two digits, write it as 90. Add it. 5, 2, 9 plus 7, it is 16. Next 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 9, it is 20. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1 is 5 and 8 plus 1 is 9. So 975 square is 950625. By practice, this method, it becomes very easy for you all to find the squares of 3-digit numbers. Now, I consider the largest 3-digit number 999 squared. We follow the same method. 9 9s are 81. The last 9 9s are 81. The middle line, it is 9 9s are 81. Next step, first two 9s into the power 2. So 9 into 9 into 2, it is 9 9s are 81, 2s are 162. You observe here we got 3-digit number, but always we should write only 2-digit number. So what we'll do now, this 1, we will take it as a carryover. Leave the first digit 62, just before 6, whatever the number is there above 8, write carryover over there. Now next step, next two 9s. 9 into 9 into power 2, again it is 162. It's a 3-digit number, you can see. Now this one, we have to write it here 62. So what we are doing, just before 6, whatever the number, above that on the top, you take it as a carryover. Now last step, first 9 into last 9 into 2. Same 162. We should write it in the third row, leaving 2 digits. So before 6, on the top, you take it as a carryover 1. Whenever you are getting a 3-digit number, wherever you are writing the before number on the top, take it to be as a carryover. Now add it. 1, 8 plus 2 it is 10, 6, 7, 8, 8 plus 2 again it is 10. Take it as a carryover. Now I am representing with yellow color the carryover. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 12, 12 plus 6 it is 18. Now 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. So 999 square is 998001. By practice, without writing this also directly, you can write the answer over here. Hope you liked the video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and do share with your friends. Thank you everyone.